Hello, and welcome to our Cerenade video. In this video, we will show you how to print and download forms as a PDF. Let us log into the Caseworker portal. From the home page, let us log into the case profile. From the case profile, let us go into the Forms section. From the Forms section, let us go into a form. From inside the form, let us click on the print icon. You will see a pop-up asking if you want to print the whole form, the current page, or a page range. You will send the printout to Adobe PDF file. Print mode is in Form and Data. You can add watermarks if you like. Decide to include addendums, sticky notes, and any type anywhere you had on the form, and click on Print. Your web browser will now generate a PDF. You will finalize by clicking the Download button or clicking the Click Here button. Your PDF should now be downloaded. By selecting either, this guarantees the form is generated into a PDF at a small size. If you wish to continue printing, you can either print the downloaded PDF you just got, or in some web browsers, you will see a printer icon. If selecting the printer icon, you will proceed with selecting your printer, and the print job should now go through. Now, a common mistake people make is when they click the printer icon, they go and select Microsoft Print to PDF. You want to avoid that. Although it will generate a PDF for you, it will do so at a way bigger file size. If wanting to download a PDF of the form, please use the tips mentioned earlier on this video so that your form is compressed into a smaller file size. This concludes our video on how to print a form.